The reading tells us that Philip went to Samaria. Now, as I've talked about before, Samaria for the Jewish people was a place they didn't want to visit. Usually they would go the long way. They would go around Samaria because there was a lot of tension and friction between the Samaritans and the Jewish people. But here Philip goes to the Samaritan people to preach the word of Jesus. And I've often thought, and this is maybe because it's one of my favorite stories, that he was so well received in Samaria, according to today's first reading. He was well received, it says, because Jesus had visited Samaria. Jesus had approached the well of Jacob, and then a woman came up. We know the story as the woman at the well. It's one of my favorite stories in Scripture. You'll find that there are many of my favorite stories in Scripture, and the woman at the well happens to be one of them, where Jesus is sharing who he is with the woman. The woman is opening up with Jesus, and after a period of time talking back and forth, getting to know each other, the woman comes to realize who Jesus is. So they are in one accord, and the woman is so excited about who Jesus is that she goes to come face to face with the other people in the town to share Jesus with them. So maybe that Philip had such good luck going into Samaria because Jesus had already laid the groundwork. Jesus had already been there. Jesus had already evangelized, if you would, and the woman at the well was sharing the story from the time Jesus met her at the well until now. So when Philip is there in today's reading and telling the story of Jesus, they, according to the reading today, they are excited, they are happy, and they are coming to know Jesus even deeper. So they are all in one accord, and they're in one accord because of their faith, because they've come together.